Our know and do today, linear equations and slopes, like that, slopes. And our do, we need to identify slope and y-intercept. And we need to match them to 2. Slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. That's the generic way to say it. And make sure it has to be solved for y when you're doing this. And what the m and the b stand for are slope and y-intercept. So if I were to plug in a couple numbers in for those, say 4x plus 3, my slope would be 4, my y-intercept would be 3. Here's where the 4 came from, here's where the 3 came from. So if I have two graphs, and the one on the left goes up from left to right, so that we say that has positive slope. The other one goes down from left to right, so has negative slope. That'll help us when choosing graphs, such as here. Which graph best shows y equals 2x minus 3? And here are the graphs. So what you need to do is look at this equation, y equals 2x minus 3. The slope of it and the y-intercept, slope is 2, and the y, that came from right there. The y-intercept is negative 3, which came from right there. Alright? So basically, with these graphs, we need to find one that has positive slope and a negative y-intercept. Maybe you can see it already. As you look through these, we can already see that a couple of them won't work. And here's why. We want one with a positive slope, okay? Slope of 2. Well, right now I can already see B has a negative slope and so does D. So those won't work. So now it's between A and C. Then you look for your y-intercept. We want it to be negative. Which one of those has a negative y-intercept? And that is what gets us to our correct answer, which is C. Now it's just an example problem. So now here's problem 1. Which is a graph of y equals negative 3x plus 6? So use how we solved that last one to solve this one. And your answer is A. Has a negative slope and a positive y-intercept. It is the only one of those 4 that meets that. Alright, so remember this stuff that I showed you a minute ago with m being the slope and b being the y-intercept? Well, now we need to use that for this problem. Problem 2. What is the slope of the line described by the equation y equals 3x plus 6? Alright, now recall y equals mx plus b. M is the slope. So our slope with this equation is 3. Alright, came from right there. Last problem. What is the y-intercept of the line described by the equation y equals 4x plus 9? So again, remember, y equals mx plus b. B is the y-intercept. So for our equation, the y-intercept is 9. And that came from right there. There's some frogs.